Hello everybody, how are you? In this video, we'll revision a lot of questions about dynamics for secondary 3. Look at here, question number 1. The momentum of a body of mass 700 gram moving in a straight line starting with velocity of magnitude 15 meter per second and with a uniform acceleration 2.5 meter per square second in the same direction of its initial velocity after 12 seconds from the beginning of motion is equal to space kilogram meter per second. Want to find what? Find the momentum. We know the momentum equal m multiplied by v. The weight multiplied by velocity. Okay, he give us the weight was 700 gram. We must convert from gram to kilogram divided by 1000. The result will be 17 kilogram. Okay, and we give us the velocity of magnitude 15 meter per second. So we can find v equal v naught plus acceleration multiplied by second. We have v naught in this example was 15 meter per second plus acceleration give us acceleration 2.5 here 2.5 meter per square second multiplied by t. It was 12 seconds multiplied by 12. It's okay. Then we can find velocity will be 15 plus 2.5 multiplied 12 by using calculator. The result will be 45 meter per second. Then we can find the momentum equal m multiplied velocity. M was 17 multiplied by velocity was 45. Then the result will be by using calculator. We can find the result here. 17 multiplied by 45. The result will be 31 and half kilogram meter per second. The result will be 31 and half kilogram meter per second. It's okay. That was question number 1. So we must know this rule about the momentum. Okay, the momentum equal m multiplied by v. It's clear, okay? So the result will be 31 and half kilogram meter per second. Question number 2. A body of mass unity moves under the action of the force F equal a plus 3 in direction I plus b in direction g. If its displacement vector is equal t square in direction I plus half t square in direction j, then a equal and b equal. We know F equal force equal m multiply acceleration. So we want to find acceleration. We have here displacement. Displacement was t square in direction I plus half t square in direction j. We can find velocity first. It's the first distribution. It's a very derivative about displacement. We can drop the power here. Result 2t in direction I plus t in direction j. And we can find acceleration. The first derivative about velocity. It will be 2 in direction I and 1 in direction j. Okay, then we can find the force m multiplied by a. We have m was 1 unit in the example. Then m equal 1 multiplied by acceleration, and we have f in this example was get here force equal a multiply acceleration. They give us a was a plus 3 in direction I, so we can write right here a plus 3 and P equal M was 1 multiply acceleration was 2 and 1. 2 in the first projection, 1 in the second projection here. Then A plus 3 equal 1 times 2 equal 2. We can comparing here 1 times 2 equal 2 and A equal -1. And here B equal 1 times 1, then B equal 1. Question number 3. If a child of mass 35 kilograms stands on the pressure scale inside the lift moving downwards with acceleration of magnitude 1.4 meter per square second, then the skull reading equals space kilogram weight. We know child mass here stands in a pressure scale inside the lift moving downwards. Moving downwards here. We have here weight M multiplied G and R here it's reading of skull. We can write the relation mg subtract r equal what equal m multiplied by a for Newton rule. Okay, because the moving down. Then we can write mg subtract r equal ma. Want to find r? We can move r here right hand side and inverse sign and write mg subtract ma. And then r equal, we can write m outside here, g subtract a. It was r. And we can put here 35. Okay, weight was 35 and g equal 9.8 subtract acceleration magnitude 1.4 here. He give us in this example, but the result will be Newton. You want to find the result by kilogram weight. We can divide it by 9 and 8 convert from Newton to kilogram weight. You can use a calculator to find the results. 35 multiplied by 9.8 multiply subtract 1.4. It was the result 284 Newton, but you want to find the result by kilogram weight. You can divide it by 9.8, then the result will be 30. Then reading skull will be equal 30 kilogram weight. So we must, this example, know the direction down here. So mg subtract r equal ma from Newton rule.